want a lot for Christmas.
So guys,
we're going to have a word sing off. So any word that is given, you're going to have to sing a Christmas carol someday. Yeah.
to the word there. Alright.
Yeah,
So let's get it. Alright. Who starts first?
I'm just gonna give her an easy word. Love. That's easy.
Christmas carol with love.
Bread freeze, people.
Love.
Bread freeze.
Love.
Watch bread freeze.
Love. Me have a timer?
Yes.
Put up your thing. Put up your hand and then. Love yourself a little more on Christmas.
No original.
Me don't know.
Give love on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day.
Alright. Me get one. Tree.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Not me can, but so guys, who wins this challenge? I have to give the opponent 5 subscribers, right? So let's get it. Alright, your time.
Your word, baby.
Baby, oh, under the mistletoe.
Oh, I say no original. It have to be a real song. That's not a real Christmas carol.
No, baby, baby. Why me can't?
Bop. Your time done.
So tell me a song.
Me don't know. I just give you a word to find the song.
Alright, your time. Ornament.
Jingle bell is an ornament.
No, the word ornament of it there.
Ornaments.
Oh, originals. Come, we could try to get something where we can sing out. We want them to hear our vocals. So come, your time to give me something we can sing out now.
Night.
Silent night, holy night.
All is calm, all is bright, round yon virgin mother and child, holy infant so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace.
Wanna hear that?
Yes, my love sing
Opera.
Yeah.
Alright. Let me get one. Snow.
Dashing through the snow on a one-horse open sleigh, o'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha! And bumps and beat, and making spirits ride. How wonderful it is to ride on Santa's sleigh tonight. Oh,
Jingle bells, jingle all. Look, me can't sing high like that, so I forgot to turn the tone.
hey! All right, your word now. Manger.
Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. I say go. Little Lord Jesus lay down in sweet bed.
Alright, me give you quarter points for
Cause
that.
I'm not even the tune.
And-
Hey, no man. Away in a manger, no.
Away in a manger.
So me not sing it properly, me not.
You say out of tune.
Alright,
Quarter
sing.
points.
Away, me can't sing so high.
Away in a manger, no crib for a bed. The little Lord Jesus laid down his sweet head. And such.
Me get it points. So your time now. What
Let me just get manger.
No. Oh yeah, yes, I'm me forget something. Party. Yeah, party is a part of Christmas. Oh, Christmas. Oh, food. Yo, if you don't get this one, food. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I want beans, greens, potatoes, and
That's Thanksgiving.
oh.
That's what. Look at you thinking the burst my bubble. That's your Thanksgiving. Food. And a blackbird in a pear tree. Yeah. The Jamaican version on the first.
But that's
day
not.
of
But that's not
Christmas.
food. The word
Then
food.
pear.
The
Pear.
word
Oh, you want the word
food.
food?
Yeah. All right, your time now.
All right.
Do something very nice that I can sing.
Jingle.
Jingle bell, Santa Martin, jingle all the way.
Look at you.
Oh, much
Nope.
fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey! All right, mistletoe. Come on.
Under the mistletoe is where I wanna go.
No go so. Hear that?
Please go and Google it.
It's not this. It's not one song that. It sounds like under the mistletoe. That's where I wanna be this Christmas.
You know that song the metal?
No. That's a lie.
That's the song I was
All
referring
right.
to.
Come, you say last one. You want me to say last one or two more?
Two more.
You, your time.
Let me just give mistletoe. And you just give mistletoe. Oh.
Don't do the challenge with this lady here, people.
Noel.
Noel.
The angel is not Noel. Truth? We don't get this song on now.
Noel, the song goes Noel. Born is the King of Israel.
What a pint again.
One
How
pint.
much they know? Half.
There was a lot of points again.
Half a pint all this time. That no look good.
Alright, me give you one. Christmas. Christmas. Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I can't believe you got forged one song on a Christmas.
Happy birthday, Jesus. I'm so glad it's Christmas. All the presents are nice.
You could have sing "We Wish You a Merry Christmas."
But the real gift is you. Me never remember the song day. Yes, that song.
Alright, so give me one.
Alright, we could top it off now with Come.
Come all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh come ye to Bethlehem. And behold him, born the King of angels. Oh come let us adore him. Oh come let us adore. Oh come let us adore him, Christ the Lord.
And Xhy has arrived.
So guys, guess who's here?
Xhy.
Xhy. So the I is completed. So Xhy is here. So everything is complete.
Alright, so give your sing you we wish you a Merry Christmas. Let's cap it off.
Yes.
Come. We wish you
a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and
Happy New Year.